All right, as you can see here, we have a very special box. This is the color for the FRS. I'm gonna gray it out from here. If you know what this means, then you know what color is in this box. But we're gonna get to look at it, and you guys will get to see it later. Whoops. That's an interesting one. Whew. That's gonna be pretty cool. What do you think, cameraman?
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful. You guys will see it later. Right now, I'm black and white. So, let's put it on the rack. After we put the roll on the rack, we started prepping the FRS's kit for wrap. I had the fender repaired, so we were sanding it down, getting it all smooth, and then a familiar face stopped by. All right, so we are troubleshooting the Airlift. We have Slim Shady in the building.
Yo.
And introduce yourself to the vlog.
Anthony.
Anthony's in the house as well.
I think your issue's right here.
Oh, this guy. He's not wrong, though.
Where's the clip? I probably should have asked if I could start it.
You
There's
can.
something there and it like blows up.
Oh, it's die in here. It's all good.
Yeah. What's your height at normally? Your PSI for this?
I'm not sure. See if there's presets in the system. Does it, or is it on the remote?
I don't know if it's stored in here or if it's stored on there.
Just see if, like, what is... Yeah, there you go.
That don't look right. I feel like I'm leaning really hard.
Turns out the problem was the remote. Thank goodness, because the remote is only a $300 fix, while the new Airlift management system is over $1,000. So we quickly placed an order for a new remote, and now we're waiting for it to arrive. Well, I wasn't expecting this to happen today, but Jakey Poo came by, helped me figure out exactly what we need to do to get the FRS bag situation all handled, and check this out. He's helping me get these hood and trunk reconditioned. It's a little bit hazy, and you know, when the car is gonna be done getting wrapped, we're gonna want it to look as best as it can. So shout out to the TRX. She looks good and she's useful. New kickflip.
Can't have the homie walking around with faded carbon.
Exactly. Never let your homies have faded carbon. But now it looks like kind of like a Mad Max mobile. After everything was settled for the day, I went with my boss to pick up his brand new car, a McLaren 720S that just so happened to be owned by the same guy that crashed the Bugatti into Galveston Bay. Small world. Very nice. After the joyrides were done and the deal was closed, we went back to the shop and started fixing up all the other little things with the FRS. And we found some interesting things like this. My window regulator was not even plugged in. Nice. Set up back there.
Oh, yeah. They're on. It's on.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's kind of dim.
Hang on, let me figure out. See, maybe the little like lights came out or something.
There you go, my boy.
Jeez. I'll be riding with the stars in the roof, man.
Hell yeah, boy.
Well, today was a successful day, and the few short hours we had with the car, being able to work on it, we got the Airlift all connected proper. My remote will be here tomorrow to get the new one. We got the Starlight headliner reinstalled and working properly. We got the sub hooked up, all those wires cleaned up back there, and then we're getting the front bumper ready to I guess have the new Pandem one on. We just got that shipment in from Japan, so she is almost ready to be wrapped. We took the handles and the mirrors off, and man, we're getting down to the wire here. The black is completely off the roof. minus the area around the little antenna there. We'll get that, and then yeah, this thing is ready to go into customization mode. I'm super pumped, super hype. Right now I believe it's August 5th or 6th, so I mean we still got 2 months ready for this thing, and I'm excited. All right, ladies and gentlemen, is the day. Today is the day. Got sexy Cody over there working on a motorcycle, and today we're gonna be working on the FRS. Let me show you something, because we're gonna end this video here and we're gonna start a new video in like 2 minutes, so check this out. The wrap reveal on the FRS. We're going this beautiful Anosatech Playboy Amethyst Ash, baby. Yes, sir. So it's a first exclusive look. You guys are patient, waited around. This thing's gonna be so cool. It's gonna be the first dark color I've done on a car. We've done the light blue, we've done the pink, the turquoise, the red, all that stuff. But now we're gonna join the dark side and go with a Anosatech, the special Playboy color that they just dropped. So what do you think? How's it gonna look on this bad boy? Well, we're about to find out. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace out.